Hello everyone, welcome to Bobby's Bicycles and Repair. Back to trying to troubleshoot the squeal in the front brake. Okay, now I'm going to do is I'm going to take out these pads and put on the new ones. So if you follow along with me, you get an Allen wrench. Not sure what size it is, and you get a open end wrench. All you do is loosen the nut in the back of the brake. Just like that, it slides right off. And then go on the other side, do the same thing. Get your Allen wrench, and you got your open end 10mm socket. Clamp onto the brake with the Allen wrench, and then loosen the nut in the back. Just pull the brake down and slide off like that. Okay, as soon as I find the other pads to put on here, I'll get back with you and show you how it's done. Talk to you in a few. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Oh, that one. Oh.